Hi, Subaru fans. It's the end of January, and here in Vermont, we have a wicked snowstorm coming down. Anyways, I have my Subaru Ascent, which I love to pieces because right now, I have stock snow tires on my Ascent. Um, and it is just going through the snow. It's not even slipping. We're expected to get about a foot of snow this evening, but this here is just one of the main roads here, and it is just plowing through. Um, so I know a lot of people have been waiting to see how the Ascent handles in the snow. And so far, out of all the Subarus I've owned, this SUV is the best in the snow so far. I'm not sure if it's because the weight or not. I used to have a 2003 Subaru Outback, and that thing was a beast in the snow. So the Ascent actually reminds me of it quite a bit, just because it's heavy, it's well balanced, um, and the all-wheel drive in this vehicle is fantastic. I apologize. The video is a little bumpy. I do not have a holder for my camera, but hope to get one soon. Anyways, so I just wanted to give you a little update. See a little snow. There's a vehicle in front of me. I think it's like a little Honda or something, which they're having a hard time going around corners or slipping a little bit. Whereas I'm just sitting here in the Ascent and it's doing fantastic. I have no slipping at all, so it really grips the snow. The all-wheel drive, like I said, is amazing. I love it. Anyways, stay warm, stay safe, and if you're looking at getting a Subaru Ascent for the winter weather, I live in Vermont, New England, and it's hands down my favorite car so far. Pretty much any Subaru that you get has all-wheel drive, and you will love it. Anyways, take care, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.